Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a quick backup. Copy the sheet or paste the range to a new tab so you can undo mistakes. Next, select the exact range. Click a cell, then Shift plus click to expand, or Control plus space to choose a column. Once done, enable Filter from the Data tab if you need condition-based removal. Make sure to inspect headers and hidden rows so you remove only what you intend. This reduces errors later. You now choose the right removal tool. For single cells or columns, use Home Delete and pick Shift cells left or entire row to adjust layout. If removing duplicates, use Data Remove Duplicates and verify selected columns. Excel shows how many were removed. Alternatively, apply a filter. Select Filtered Visible Rows, then right-click and delete row to purge matching records. Remember why. Different methods preserve sheet structure differently, so pick the one that keeps formulas intact. Finish by scanning nearby formulas, named ranges, and summary cells to ensure deletion didn't break calculations. Update ranges if needed. Once done, save a new version so you can revert. If something went wrong, immediately press Undo or Restore from the backup copy you created earlier. A common fix. Use Find/Replace to correct shifted references or edit affected formulas to rebuild correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.